Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Thursday, February the 9th. The time is around 3:30 a.m. GMT. So we're gonna be looking and updating you guys on the silver right here, 60 minutes chart here. Also talk about some other options and possible alternate path. So we can see from this one, our chart here, that silver ended with 1 at the peak here, intermediate degree, $24.62. And so what that means then is we are now within the wave 2 pullback, and within the wave 2 the subdivision is in the form of a zigzag here. So we finished the first leg here, which is the A leg of the zigzag, as a 5 waves move, 1 2 3 4 5. And then now we are looking for a APC rally to finish here in the P before turning lower again. Okay, so the main idea here is that as long as we stay below 24.6, there is still an opportunity for another leg down again, due to what looks to be like a 5 ways down of this move here in silver. Okay, so now let's zoom out and talk about the larger time frame. So we ended 1 here, just like what the 1 hour chart here says. This is the daily time frame. So this with 1 here basically ended the leg higher from the lows. Right, this with 5 here of 1. So this one here basically ended this entire leg higher here. So you can place, let's say, 1 into here, and then another 1 to 1 2, and then 3 4 5 and 3 4. So it's a nest, and then finish here. Like you can put maybe in the 3 somewhere here, let's say. Right, you can put somewhere here, or you can just look at the subdivision to place it into a better position. I think this one is a better position here. Okay, or maybe even I think 3 here and 4 here, but there is some kind of like a consolidation here, right? Some sort of like a triangle is possible here, which is what we are showing here, E, B, C, D, E, to finish 4 here before one more push higher, 5. Right, so basically what we are doing here is that excuse me, we are correcting this cycle from the lows here, from the September low. Okay, and we are about to finish, or we are already ending the A leg of the first move. So now we're looking for the P rally, and possibly after that we can get another leg down in the C before ending the wave 2, right? Once we finish the wave 2, then we can start to go higher again. So we are looking for a P and a C, and then higher again, right? So as long as we stay below this 24.6, then because of the 5 ways down, we cannot roll out another leg lower. Now what about a situation in which, let's say, we don't do another leg lower and we just continue to rally? Well, it is possible if it is doing a flat. So let's say if I place here a 4, right, and let's say I place 5 here, then there is a possible count in which we can count this as a expanded flat A, B, C. And then if that's the case, then we don't need another leg down, right? If we are actually doing an expanded flat correction, then we could have finished here, your wave 2, and then we just continue to go higher. So just because we have a 5 ways down, that doesn't guarantee we have to have another 5 ways down again. And if it is doing expanded flat, then it is possible we don't get another 5 ways down in the C, and we just continue to rally. But for now, the main idea, the main view is calling for another leg down. So the main view is calling for rally to fail below 24.6, and then from there we can start to turn lower again. Alright, so that's the idea here and the update for today. As always, if you want more updates and regular updates on silver or anything else, you can check our service. We have 14 days trial and the link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time and have a nice day, everyone.